Today's video, we're checking out Softr, a no-code platform that lets you build apps and websites without writing a single line of code. We'll see how it works, what it can do, and whether it's worth using. So what is Softr? It's a platform that allows anyone to create apps, websites, and client portals by simply dragging and dropping elements. You don't need coding skills. It's designed to make building digital products simple and fast. Using Softr is straightforward. You choose a template, add your content, customize the design, and your app or website is ready. It connects with databases and other tools, making it easy to manage your data without technical knowledge. Here's what makes it interesting though. You can build apps and websites entirely without code, offer templates for different use cases, from business apps to personal projects, integrates with popular tools and databases for easy data management. It's not perfect, but some advanced features can take time to learn and complex customizations may require workarounds. But for most users, it's very accessible. Now let's look at the pros and cons. Pros: easy use with drag and drop functionality, no coding knowledge required, and it does offer a free and also paid plan so you can start building right away. Now there are cons to this, so some advanced features can be tricky for beginners, limited flexibility compared to fully custom coded apps. So is Softr worth using? If you want to build apps or websites quickly without learning to code, it's definitely worth trying. But if you need total control over every feature or highly complex customizations, you may need a more advanced platform.